Ready? And they're away, racing over 1.5 miles for this Coral Amateur Riders Handicap, and Haley Moore away well on Whinging Willie towards the inside. Noguchi in the blue jacket, though, going past that horse now with He's a Rarey to the outside of Noguchi covering the first furlong. Quite well strung out already. Obor is a clear fourth in the noseband, and then it must be a good 6 or 7 lengths back to the favourite Ballyglasheen. Another 3 or 4 to Athenian Garden. Ruziz is well back early. Investissement, Bayan Kasurga, and Classic Mission must be all of 20 lengths plus off the lead, but maybe they've gone off a bit quick here. Noguchi from He's a Rarity, Whinging Willie in third, and then Obor. That's the leading quartet, covered by about 5 or 6 lengths. Then a gap of at least 10 or 12 to the others, who are headed by Ballyglasheen, and then by Athenian Garden, Ruziz, Bayan Kasurga, and then Investissement, and slightly detached is Classic Mission, who's held up well off the pace by James Harding, who'll be praying that these leaders come back. Heading towards the top turn, Noguchi the inside of He's a Rarity. They go stride for stride. Whinging Willie in third, then a gap to Obor, then the chasing pack, Ballyglasheen with the white blaze, the pink colours, Ruziz on the inside, followed by Athenian Garden in a white cap as they now round the top turn. Noguchi the inner of He's a Rarity, nothing between them. 2 lengths to Whinging Willie in third place, heading on towards the final half mile. These three have got away from Obor. Ballyglasheen staying on a bit, Ruziz round the inside, then Athenian Garden is the next runner, followed further back by Bayan Kasurga, Investissement, and still no move from Classic Mission, ridden with exaggerated patience inside the final 3. Noguchi, He's a Rarity, Whinging Willie close up in third. The others struggling to get into it here. Obor is fourth, then Ballyglasheen, and Ruziz back in 6th place. They swing for home, less than 2 furlongs to cover, and Noguchi the inside of He's a Rarity. They've been fighting it out all the way. Whinging Willie, Obor is coming back at them, having been dropped at one stage, and Obor is the one that's thundering on to challenge Noguchi, and Whinging Willie's still got a chance on the outside under Haley Moore, beginning to close on Obor. Obor and Whinging Willie, they race towards the line. Obor just from Whinging Willie, followed by Noguchi in third. Then He's a Rarity, Ballyglasheen. The others, Classic Mission, eventually coming through to 6th, then Ruziz, Bayan Kasurga, Athenian Garden, Investissement was just about the last to complete.
First, number 9.